How to connect Stripe to GoHighLevel in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step guide how to connect your Stripe account to GoHighLevel so you can start accepting payments through funnels, forms, invoices, and other tools without dealing with complicated setup steps. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and open the sub-account where you want to accept payments. Once inside the dashboard, go to the Payments section and look for Integrations. This is where GoHighLevel allows you to connect payment providers directly to your workspace. Next, find Stripe in the available payment options and click the Connect button. You will then be redirected to Stripe's authorization page. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in using your existing login details. If you do not have one yet, you can create a new account during the process. After signing in, Stripe will ask for permission to connect with GoHighLevel. Review the details carefully, then approve the connection. Once authorized, the system will redirect you back to GoHighLevel automatically. At this point, your Stripe account should already appear as connected inside the Payments Integration section. This means you can now start processing payments directly through GoHighLevel features like funnels, checkout pages, forms, and invoices. Another useful feature is automatic product syncing. Products connected to Stripe can sync into GoHighLevel, making it easier to manage payments and offers without manually rebuilding everything from scratch. Before accepting real customer payments, it is a good idea to test the connection first. Create a sample invoice or checkout page and make sure the payment process works correctly from start to finish. This helps catch setup problems early before customers run into issues. It is also important to make sure your Stripe account is fully verified because incomplete account verification can limit payment processing features. Checking your payout settings and business information inside Stripe can help avoid delays later. Within just a few minutes, you can start collecting payments directly inside your GoHighLevel system without needing advanced technical knowledge.